what they say here in the results is the focus of this work was on differences in gene expression across responder clusters, irrespective of age or sex. So their analysis didn't necessarily account for age or sex, but it kind of did with the clustering. But they say, however, it is noteworthy that the non-responders contained only one young male compared with 38% older women and men. By contrast, young men clearly dominated the extreme cluster, as 43% of the young men were in extreme compared with only 18% of the remaining subjects. Approximately 50% of each age-sex cohort was clustered as modest. So there was more young men that made up the extreme cluster, but there was males and females that fell into each of the clusters, and by age group also fell into each cluster. So there were high responders that were older. And I think that's interesting, is it wasn't just like all of the young 20 to 35-year-old males were all extreme responders, right? That the age group and the sex was distributed across the clusters. And so 50%, when we go back to figure one, about 50% of the participants in this study were classified as modest. And about 25% were non-responders and 25% were the extreme responders. And so I think if we're making some inferences here to the